Going to Senator Mukantuma at Senator Mukantuma Sarah it's an appointment kan mo tayo lawa kan kalme kani kan pastor kan chat to kani Mizo Church of Iowa pastor Reverend Zaichhawna Liana chuan bola ani youth pastor nemnge tour tun cholnia chuan hei kapale ke manen kalme
ani space sergeant ni boka
space sergeant ni bun in min shwai so Starbucks say min treat boka hei chu kan telwan lo le ne
hei hi ot ma sa bai sai ve sia
hei ke ma kalang khat to kam lo ka mani tilang le je semina mina tom no min lei sak nen
le went to Senator Sarah kan mudona kan pan me kan mun po nuam khop mai thoveng khop mai chunga kan luta
So we don't ever see this. They took the curtains down, and it is so bright in here. I have to take a picture of it because it's just amazing. Hey, we'll stay out of your way.
Oh, no worries.
I've just never seen it without the curtains up. It's just so bright.
ไล่อันโรเรลน้ำหุ่นอันนี้อันโรเรลน้ำหุ่นกันออกเมฆกันอีกตัวไหนเห็น
You'll want to stay right over there. I have my keys. So they're replacing these windows and to speak. So the senators have the wooden chairs. Our staff sit next to us in the computer chairs. We don't have any offices. We just have desks. That's it. It's a pretty small building actually. So there's 50 senators here. There's 100 representatives over there. And in order to speak, we have to ask permission. So we have to push the speak button. We can push the green yay button for yes or the red nay button for no, and these light up. And then our names will light up red or green.
Oh, okay.
So you can see how we're voting in real time. And then sometimes we have to take attendance. Legislators will wander off. We'll be waiting, and so push the yellow present button, and then our names will light up yellow. The system's not on right now, so I can't.
That's fine.
It won't show it. And another thing we can do is we can call for help. There are pages. They're high school.
mi kal zen zen lo na step up kan lon ani mi som nga bor ben ai right look, okay, and pastor.
All right, so we start there were some workmen working on them, and I said, "What are you doing?" And they said, "Come and see." So I went with them, and we had to go through the attic and climb through holes in the wall.
Kenceng ya? Wow, wow.
Hello. Kai. Hey. Anh cô đã đây chúng bây giờ hàng gần lô nè. Step những con bộ ha. Giật thì sống nga. Ông ơi. Hey anh qua giống giống chứ. Anh lăng thì ta biết mấy lệ. Kai. Hey là mà tiên.
Hay bị lo lắm
Hey
rồi.
con lạc sẽ không chứ. Đó rồi. Wow wow wow. Thổ na chuông mấy cái này. Wow. Wow wow wow. Lấy lắm phòng. Ngồi rồi, cái này khăn lạc chi này hấp bụi.
Đâu là mi?
Ờ.
Video ka.
Đàn về lại.
Cô bố lên. Và nông gần này tốt tì. Là sinh sao bắt lộn nhà mà hi.
It's one of the highest spots in Iowa.
Nice.
And they sleep really well at night. But when you're posting online,
Library ka no ma. Ang library may pohe. Boy, tak ani. Lang ver shim ro.
okay.
So you can feel it. Yeah, brand new.
Still warm.
So, it's not even available in India. So I decided to release here in United States. This is the story of my people. So you read it. This is in English.
Oh, good,
So it's
good.
easy to understand it. So,
I appreciate
and this is, I'm going to give you first.
Oh,
this
thank
one.
you.
Okay. God bless you.
Thank you.
And this is Zaichhawna Fanpui, the building.
Yeah.
So you can see that
Oh, wow.
this will be the largest church in the whole world.
Where is it going to be?
This will be in India, where
Oh,
we
really?
live, Mizoram.
Oh, really?
So I'm the president, the founder. So yeah, let's take a picture like this.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wait now.